Have you ever sat on the toilet and thought, I wonder how long I could survive on the sun? No? That's okay because I did. And lucky for you, I've done the math so you don't have to. Spoiler alert, it's not long, like really not long. Let's start with the basics. The surface of the sun is hot, really hot. We are talking a blistering 5600 degrees Celsius. That's 25 times hotter than your average oven set to extra crispy. But here's the kicker, that's just the surface. The real action is happening deep inside. The sun's core has a mind-blowing 15 million degrees Celsius. And that number is so ridiculously high, it makes ghost pepper look like a refreshing ice cream cone. At those temperatures, we are talking about the energy and heat levels that could melt you into nothingness before you ever had a chance to realize what was happening. So, how long could you last on the surface of the sun? Let's be optimistic here. Let's say you were instantly teleported there, no countdown, no warnings, just poof. Well, the good news is you wouldn't need sunscreen, the bad news is you would disintegrate faster than you could say SPF 100. Here is why. Your body would absorb an immense amount of energy in an instant. On the sun's surface, every square meter gets hit with around 63 megawatts of energy. That's like standing under 60,000 industrial microwaves, all running on high. Your body would turn into a poof of plasma in 100 nanoseconds. Congratulations, you're now a stardust. Now let's talk about the gravity. The sun's gravity is 28 times stronger than Earth's, so if you were somehow magically able to stand on the sun's surface, I know we already said that's impossible, but let's pretend, you wouldn't just feel heavy. You'd feel like you were trapped under a giant weight, and it would take all of your strength just to lift off your foot off the ground. That means, even if you could somehow survive for a split second before turning into a fiery plasma ball, you'd be stuck in place, unable to even move your arms. Imagine trying to take a step and just sinking deeper into the sun like a rock in the water. Sounds fun to me. But wait, what if you took it deeper, into the sun's core? Here's where the real party happens. The pressure is 340 billion times what you experience on Earth's surface. That's like balancing 50 trillion elephants on your pinky finger. Oh, and did I mention the density? The core is so tightly packed that a single teaspoon of its material would weigh around 15 tons. That's like stuffing 3 adult elephants into your morning coffee, so yeah, you wouldn't just disintegrate here. You'd be annihilated in a flash of gamma radiation so intense it would make the Hulk jealous. Fun fact, if you could survive, your body would glow. The intense heat would make you emit black body radiation, turning you into a human light bulb. Not a useful one though, you'd burn out instantly. Also, the sun isn't solid, so technically you'd sink. It's kinda like a quicksand, but instead of sand, it's a roiling, chirping soup of plasma hotter than anything you've ever imagined. So, to sum up, you can survive on the sun, not even for a second, but hey, look on the bright side, no one can accuse you of not being ambitious. And now when someone asks you the next time you're on the toilet, how long could I survive on the sun, you can confidently answer, I wouldn't, but I'd look really cool exploding. Thanks for watching, and remember, space might be the final frontier, but it's also out to kill you in the most creative ways possible. Like, comment and subscribe for more existential dread with a side of humor.